Got some time. I'm also working with a gentleman in regard to a Norton closer, and he's calling it a, I can't see it now, one second, a 78B-F, and I'm struggling to find that. I'm finding a B-D, but nothing on the B-F.
Yeah, I think what you'll find is Norton has on their nameplate, I think they've got B/F, which is meant to say they can do BD and EF. And it's just, and those are a reference to the size of the spring. Norton today has just two spring sizes. And I imagine they had more spring sizes decades ago. So the bottom line is, you'll need to find out, well, first of all, what we do is we look in the manual from Gulf States, the catalog, so manufacturer's page. Let me catch up to you.
Mm-hmm.
Manufacturers. And I was teaching Laszlo, don't email the vendor until you've looked in the rebuilt door closers catalog.
Right.
Then Norton's probably going to be, go to page 18 maybe. No, yeah, 17. Let's try 16. Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
So page 12, the page 12 or the 17th page of the document, you're going to be looking for information as indicated for the model 78. So the bottom line is, if you've got a typical 3-foot door, it's probably a BD. If you've got a door that, if it's on a corner bracket, you might want the EF. But a standard regular arm mount for a typical 3-foot door is going to have a BD spring. And how do I know this? Well, I know it, but also you could look in the Norton catalog, and the term is traditional, is what they call it. Control F, the word traditional. You'll find that section of the catalog, and you'll just say, okay, let's talk about spring sizes here. What are we doing? And let's actually just do that now, because I would argue that the modern guide, I see that our 2026 catalog does not load. Doesn't matter. 2018 product catalog. It's not changed. Control F traditional. And then, yeah, okay. Yeah. So when you're looking at the, if you open up under the Norton manufacturer's page, Norton 2018 product catalog, it's one of the bold ones.
Mm-hmm.
And you get to the, literally the 5th page of that document. Just,
yep.
It's right in the beginning. You'll see on the cover it says 78B/F. So that's the series. They're telling you this is the 78BF series. But when you dig deeper, and that's one thing that I love. Norton was the first closer catalog that I learned on, and it's the one I always go to because they show every detail. Mm-hmm. And okay, when you get to the 28th page of the document, it shows you that a B/D is a spring 2 through 4. So that range of spring 2, 3, or 4 is going to be for a, if it's an in-swing door, you could probably go up to like a 3'4" or maybe a 3'6". Let's just say 3'4". If it's an outswing door, and that closer is on a, generally, well, if it's a parallel arm, you're going to, the maximum door width is 3 foot for a B/D. So if it's a parallel arm installation where you're pushing the door away, forgive me, I initially said a corner bracket. That's not correct. A corner bracket would be the same as a regular arm mount. If it's installed with a parallel arm, which it's probably not, you're going to be at a BD unless it's a very wide door.
Okay.
So I would ask the client, obviously for photos, but Is it installed on the pull side? If yes, is the closer body installed on the door itself? If yes, what is the width of the door? If 3 foot or smaller, it's a 78B/D. That's the actual derivative of the 78B/F. So it's BD. I think what they did was they took, B, C, and D closer letters, they grouped them into B/D. So there's apparently only 2 springs nowadays. And if it was an E, I don't remember there being an F. I only remember an E. But if it's a obscenely wide door, whatever, parallel arm wide door, then you would go with the bigger spring.
Okay, gotcha. So if it is parallel arm, and if it's installed on the pull side and installed on the door, and if it's like a regular door width, then it would just be that B/D spring?
Yes, but the first part you said is if it's a regular arm, body on door, 3 foot, B equal B/D. If it is a parallel arm and the door is wider than 3 foot, then it's an EF.
Okay.
But yours is probably not going to be a parallel arm. If this is an old closer he has, I can't remember the last time I actually saw a parallel arm version of this when it was a vintage closer.
Gotcha. Now, I do have some photos of it, though none of them show the arm. So, I guess this one kind of shows it, but maybe you wouldn't see it just off the spindle. Okay, so if it is like we think a regular arm, sounds like if it's installed on the pull side and on the door at 3 foot or less width, then we're going with the BD.
Yeah, absolutely.